All right, we'll go ahead and get started for our next employer. If you're just joining us, I want to thank you for coming to our Finance Virtual Job Fair event. And our next employer is Dovenmuehle Mortgage. And I'd like to introduce you to Jamie and Karen. They're going to tell you a little bit about their company, the job openings, and how to apply for those openings. So I'm going to go ahead and stop sharing my screen. So Jamie, you should be able to share now.
Hello, everybody. I hope you guys are all doing well. My name is Jamie. I also have Karen is with us too from Dovenmuehle.
Hello, can you hear me? Hello?
Yeah.
Yes.
Hi, I'm sorry. Can you hear me now and see me now?
Yes, ma'am.
We're just going to give you a little bit of an overview about Dovenmuehle, how you apply for our positions, and tell you a little bit about us. As I said, my name's Jamie. I've been with Dovenmuehle for probably a little over 7 years. I'll be going on my 8th year in December. We are unique. We are a mortgage sub-servicing company, so we're not selling mortgages, funding mortgages, or doing any loan origination. We service loans on behalf of our clients, who are the banks, financial institutions, and other mortgage lenders. Our corporate headquarters is located in Lake Zurich. We have 2 other Illinois locations. We have an office in North Aurora and we have an office in Elgin. They are a little bit smaller. And recently we opened up an office in Brookfield, Wisconsin. And we did that a couple of months back. And we have a very small development office in San Francisco. Karen?
Thanks, Jamie. Yeah, so just building off of what Jamie said, we are a mortgage servicing company, and so it's all about customer service. So a lot of our positions, regardless of the department, it's really about serving our customers, our homeowners, and then also the banks and other financial institutions that are our clients. So for instance, I recruit for the research department primarily, and all those positions in one way or the other have a little bit to do with customer service, where there's positions involve helping customers or homeowners that are maybe calling or writing in with inquiries about their mortgage loans, and in one way or another they need to get those questions answered. Some questions are going to be a little more involved, take some research and analysis to get those answers for those homeowners. So that's a lot of the positions that I recruit for. So the ones I recruit for are not necessarily numbers oriented. It's really a lot about communication and that type of customer service. And then we also have other areas. I used to recruit for special loans, which is another very busy department of ours, where those positions are going to be a little more loan processing, and maybe those are a little more numbers oriented. So we really have a wide variety of different types of positions. And if you don't have a mortgage background or even a banking background, that's okay. Training is a large part of our culture. So we do have training programs, and we have a large training department in-house. It's a big part of our culture is training. So something that's definitely available there for you. So if you don't have a mortgage background or you're a little hesitant, don't let that stop you from applying. So Jamie, anything else you want to add to that?
Well, what I definitely want to stress on, like what Karen said, we do extensive training. One of the great things about Dovenmuehle is that we have so many departments. We have 27 in total, and we have several very large ones. So we have a customer service call center, we have collections, we have research, special loans, we have a cash department. Although they don't physically handle any cash, but we do have a cash department. We have loss mitigation, we have mortgage disposition, and those are all relatively very large. So there's a lot of opportunity to grow within the position and to grow within the company as well. So it's not just limited to those departments, but there is a great opportunity to grow. For instance, customer service, they do a really extensive training and a lot of A lot of the training you would receive will apply to other positions. Being in the call center, we don't do selling or anything like that, but you really get to know the borrowers. You get to understand some of their issues, and it's definitely something that can be applied to another area. So we do offer those in a lot of internal movement, if you will. We have full-time positions right now. We do have some part-time. I know we have some in collections and in customer service. But the bulk of our positions will be full-time opportunities.
Mm-hmm.
I do have a couple of short videos that I can show you just a little overview of Dovenmuehle, and then there's a little recruitment video, so I can show them to you. I promise they don't take a lot of time. They're only going to be a couple minutes. So let me just try to share my screen. So hold on one second.
And then Jamie, make sure that you click the little button that says join computer audio whenever you do that, so we'll be able to hear it.
I'm so sorry, Ariel. Thank you so much. Where's that little button?
You might have to stop sharing your screen and then reshare it. And then it's right before you would click the share screen button. There's like a little checkbox towards the bottom.
Let me just see. I'm so sorry, everyone. I'm hoping I did this right. If anyone can't hear me, let me know, and I will try to I'll try a different way. And then I'm going to do the second one. Again, I promise it won't be long at all.
At Dovenmuehle, we help drive your mortgage business forward. We put subservicing on the map. Since then, we've been leading the industry with proven solutions and services that help our clients succeed every day. Partnering with us means achieving stronger performance with solutions built around you. Protecting your business with world-class compliance experts, and staying ready for the future with adaptive technologies and business insights you need. For us, relationships are everything. At every turn, we are at your side, delivering advanced solutions, compelling experiences, and powerful tools that help you grow your business and win with your customers. Drive performance today and unlock the possibilities of tomorrow with Dovenmuehle.
Okay, those weren't too painful. I hope not. We do make it, the application process is very easy. If you come to dovenmuehle.com, there is a career section. And once you land here, if you click on the open positions, it will take you to ADP Workforce Now. So if it opens up another screen, it's just going to show you all of our openings. And then if there's one that you are interested in, all you need to do is click on it. It's going to ask you a couple of questions, and then your application gets over to the recruiter that's working on the position.
Yeah, that sounds great. I just want to add one more time, just to add to what Jamie said, you know, there's a lot of opportunity for growth and development at Dovenmuehle. So, you know, vertically within your position, being promoted to different levels, and then also horizontally across the company as well, with all the different departments we have and the different teams. Definitely a great place to make a career if that's something you're looking for.
It's a great company. There's some great opportunity. We're continuing to grow. I failed to mention that we are continuing to grow even with the current pandemic out there. We're growing. We have new positions that have been added. It seems that's kind of the path that's going to be going forward. So there is some opportunity. So please apply.
Definitely. Yeah.
Does anyone have any questions?
If you have any questions at this time, you can go ahead and type them into the chat, and we'll get those answered for you. What sort of entry-level jobs do you have, and in which department?
Sure. We have some in our loss mitigation department. We have entry-level mortgage closers. Some of our customer service positions. We provide training for those. Are there any in research, Karen?
Yes, we do have some in research. We have release processors. We do have just, you know, basic clerical support as well. So definitely opportunity for entry level in research and releases, and probably clerical support in a few different departments across the company.
I would say I have one in cash right now. I have a clerical support position in cash. I just thought of that. So.
Okay, great.
Are there any opportunities to work remotely?
Right now, with most departments, the training would be on site. I don't know if there's going to be a permanent solution to working remotely, but most of it will be on site. It may be a temporary solution to work from home, but they haven't provided any guarantees with any of the departments.
Okay, and then what type of background checks are performed?
We, because we are a financial institution, we do run a background check and we do run a credit check, and that would be prior to any offer that is made.
And then how long does your hiring process typically take?
Depending, because what we do is we do a phone screen. A recruiter would do a phone screen with you. A manager would conduct an interview. There may be a virtual interview as well, kind of tucked in there too. We do conduct some assessment testing. I would say, depending on 7 to 10 business days. Karen, does that sound about right, Karen?
Yeah, that sounds about right. Yeah, right. We try to keep it efficient, so yeah, I'd say that sounds right.
And then could one of you also type in your website into the chat just so that people could easily access that?
Absolutely.
And then another question is, what are some of the benefits that are offered with you guys?
I could take that.
Thanks, Karen. Sorry, I'm just sending the chat, and I was working it out. So sorry.
Yeah, do that. So as far as benefits, we do offer a very extensive benefits package: health, dental, and vision insurance, and then beyond that, life insurance that is company provided for you. Disability insurance is provided by the company. We offer a 401k plan with a company match. We have a very generous paid time off, including vacation, sick time, personal time, 9 paid holidays per year. We have an EAP, Employee Assistance Program. We have an employee referral program. So that's also another nice benefit. If you come to work for us and then you know someone else looking for a job, you can refer them. And if we end up hiring them, then you receive a bonus. So those are just some of the highlights. Jamie, anything else I left out?
I don't think so. I was listening while you were saying, did you mention sick time?
Yes, I did.
Okay, I apologize. Sorry.
Nope, that's okay. I know you were doing things.
Sorry about that.
Yeah.
But no,
Yeah.
I think that's it.
Okay, great.
Okay, and then I think there's one last question. Are you paid for the time that you're being trained?
Absolutely. From the first day that you start with us, whether it's you're going right into training or you're starting right on the floor, which doesn't happen all the time, but sometimes there's occasions where it may. No, from the second that you start with us, you are paid.
Okay, great. And then if there are any other questions, feel free to type them in the chat. Alyssa has also sent the link to Dovenmuehle Mortgage's employer booth on Illinois WorkNet. So if you want some other additional information, just follow that link there. And again, if you have any other last minute questions, please type them in the chat. Otherwise, I want to thank Jamie and Karen for this presentation. It was great. And thank you everyone for attending. And feel free to, like I said, check out their virtual job fair booth. And we will go ahead and get started for the next one, and unless there's anything else you guys would like to add.
No, but I just want to say thank you to everybody. Thanks for being so patient with us.
Yes, thank you so much. Looking forward to getting your application.
Yes. Have a great day.
And have a great 4th.